Today we're building a simple, classic snowman. You don't need any tools, just fresh snow and a few decorations. Start by gathering a handful of soft snow. Press it tight and shape a small ball. This will be the base. Place the ball on the ground and start rolling it slowly. As it rolls, it picks up snow and grows bigger. Keep rolling until it becomes a strong, round base that can hold the whole snowman. Now make the middle section. Repeat the same rolling process, but keep it slightly smaller than the base. Use your hands to smooth the sides. Fill any gaps with loose snow to make the snowman look clean and even. This small shaping step changes the final look a lot. Roll one more snowball, smaller this time. Place it on top and adjust it until all 3 layers look balanced. Time to decorate. Add stones or buttons for eyes, a carrot for the nose, and sticks for arms. Wrap a scarf around the neck, or add a hat if you have one. These little touches bring the snowman to life. And that's it, a simple snowman ready to bring Christmas cheer to your winter day.